Welcome, team. Many people are joining, so let us wait for 5 minutes, then we will start. Thank you for your patience.
मैं थोड़ा ना वीडियो कैसे ऑडियो यूट्यूब याची असल क्लास मैंने थोड़ी वीडियो बनाई है दो रात तो इतनी नहीं क्यों चुके ये प्रेजेंटेशन है आ जाओ
Okay, team. Good evening to all of you. So, today this is a small presentation on neuro-linguistic programming. I do not know how many of you have already attended my session. Okay, so whether any one of you have attended my earlier session on free NLP, whether any one of you have attended, if you have attended means you can type it in the chat box. I have attended. Team, please mute your calls. Okay, I have muted the call. So, whether anyone has attended my session earlier, just you can put yes or no. Have you attended any of my session on? No. You can put it in the chat box. Whether anyone has attended my program on NLP earlier. Acha. So Kulkarni as yes and yes, no. Okay, others, so that I can try to give you something new today. Okay, yes, yes, no. Okay. Okay, team. So let me try to give something new topic today. Okay. So first, let me try to understand from you all, what is your opinion about NLP? Okay, you may be listening and hearing and watching many posts in SB, Instagram, etc. about various NLP trainings and the fees pertaining to NLP. Okay, usually it ranges from 25,000 to 30,000, and in some of the places it is 1 lakh or 1,20,000. Okay, which you might have seen. Okay, please tell me what are the questions you have on NLP. You can just open your mic and ask me. First 5 minutes, I will try to answer those things. Then we will go into the program. What are your idea about NLP? If you have any doubts about NLP, what is NLP and about the practitioner certification, etc. If you have any doubts, you can open your mic and ask. First 5 minutes, it is open for discussion. Anyone can open and talk. Yeah. Yeah. Can you be a little bit louder, sir? Can you be a little bit louder?
Yes, sure. Am I
Yeah.
audible now?
Yeah, yes, audible.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. I'm a hypnotherapist by profession, and I have like little bit knowledge about NLP. It's all about programming your neural linguistic function so that you can
Yes.
work and you can solve a problem and enhance your thinking pattern. So this is what I know about.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. There is hypnotherapy and NLP. Okay, it is just like the two sides of a coin. The two sides of a coin, because most of the techniques which we do in NLP, it is by doing the uh, techniques of relaxation. We take the people to trance and do the required aspects. NLP differs in only one point. NLP actually it is useful for self-healing. The first one is self-excellence. If I am achieving excellence, if I have achieved excellence, I can help the other people to achieve excellence. I can write a book on how to become a millionaire if I am a millionaire. If I am a millionaire, and if I have become a millionaire in a short span of time, then I can talk or I can write a book on how to become a millionaire. Okay. Suppose if I don't, if I am not a millionaire, okay, if I write a book on how to become a millionaire, then really it doesn't make any sense. So NLP, it is for personal excellence. NLP, it started in the year 1970 by Richard Bandler and John Grinder. They asked amazingly a simple question: why that few people in the world, few people, they always produce extraordinary results, and why that few people fail miserably, or why few people achieve mediocre results? They started studying the people who produce extraordinary success in every aspect, in every step, whatever they take, they achieve excellence. And when they were studying, they identified different strategies, different patterns which the successful people follow. Based on that, they started developing the science called NLP. And NLP today it is being used by every field. NLP is used in education. NLP is used in sports. NLP is used in business. NLP is much more used in sales, because I was into sales. I was a regional manager of sales, and sales becomes a cakewalk. Okay, I will tell that I can tell from the bottom of my heart that if anyone follows the NLP principles in sales, definitely the sales will be a cakewalk. I myself was top performer, India top performer 3 times in my career as regional manager. I made business more than 1 crore, 30 lakhs per manager. There were 7 managers working below me. So NLP is worked in sales, used in sales. NLP is used in business. NLP used in education. NLP is used in counseling, psychotherapy, and NLP is used for self-excellence, to achieve excellence in our own life. Now, we will see why NLP is successful. Okay. Now the chat box is, I just send a message in the chat box. Okay. It is actually, it is not only a simple therapy. NLP is not simple therapy. It is much more than that. There are many therapies inside NLP. And will the PPT be shared? Yes, I will share not only the PPT, I will share with you many books also. Okay. So I will ask one simple question. Let us try to learn something in this 30 minutes more time. Can you tell me what are your values? Okay. What are your values? Can you text in the chat box? Can you text in the chat box what are your values? Please, team, anyone can share what are your values? Thinking what's good or bad. Okay, respect, honesty, discipline. Okay, then others, please contribute. What are your values? What are your values? Altruism, firm on the words, kindness, obey, kindness. My values are to be optimistic in life. Okay, honesty. Now, if you go and Google what are values, these are the various values we will get it. That is empathy, honesty, etc. Okay. Now, NLP differs from other sciences in many aspects. I will tell you through one simple example, keeping this values in picture. Okay. Now, punctuality, kindness. Every year we fix some goals. Every year we fix some goals. Every year we take New Year resolutions. Most of the times the resolutions fail. Most of our goals, okay, sometimes it fails. Now, you have written all your, what do you call, values. Now, one more question I will ask. With that, I will finish it. Then I will come to the point. Okay. So far, you might have fixed various goals in your life. Okay. You might have fixed various goals. Can you tell me how much percentage of your goals, okay, you have so far achieved? Okay. You can put it in percentage. I have achieved 50% or 60%. Okay. Whatever may be the thing. Okay. That is, you have a goal or vision towards which you are working. Suppose you may like to become a hypnotherapist, a world-class hypnotherapist. You would like to become a civil services aspirant. Okay, how much percentage, okay, action you are taking to reach to your goals? I want you to tell it in percentage. How much effort you are putting? How much effort you are putting to reach your goals, okay, at present? I want you to put it in percentage, 75%, yeah, 80%, 60%, 50%, 60%, Priyanka, Geeta Pradeep, 50%, Payal Ghosh, 60, 50. Now, as far as goals are concerned, okay, the balance 40% will spoil this 60%. The balance 30% that will spoil this 70%. Now, why we are all not able to achieve the 100%? Because there is no value clarification in the goals. I fix goals, but I don't fix values. Values for professional life, values for personal life. We don't fix it. We don't fix it properly, because of which we are not able to achieve our goals. NLP helps in fixing your values in a proper way. For example, there are 4 steps in values as far as NLP is concerned. The first one is value elicitation. First, we will elicit the value. Okay. Now, I can do this with anyone. Others can watch. Okay. And you can do it on your own self. Okay. Anyone can open your mic and talk with me. Anyone can open your mic. We will see value elicitation, then value clarification, then value ranking and mapping the value. Okay. First, one thing, let us try to do it today, and others can just watch. Okay. And you can do it on your own self. So, who is ready to come? Who is ready to come? Anyone can just open your call. Anyone can open. Okay. Anyone can open.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay. May I know your good name, sir?
My name is Mohit Verma, sir.
Acha, okay, very nice. Very happy to talk with you. So, I'm going to ask some questions. Okay. You can keep your paper and you can just write it on the paper. Okay. As I'm talking with you. Okay. What is important thing to you in life? Now, everyone in the team, whoever is listening, you can type it in the chat box. Okay. Now I am asking him and he is answering. Okay. Others can just write it, put it in the chat box. Okay. So, sir, can you tell me what is important thing to you in your life?
So for me, the most important thing in my life is to achieve a successful, being a very successful man and achieve a very designated post in my life, maybe a good amount of money, self-esteem.
Okay. Now, let us take only one element. See, now this session, I'm just trying to give you suggestions on how to create values. Okay. Now, sir, you tell good amount of money. Okay. This good amount of money, it differs from people to people. Okay. If I ask, what do you mean by good amount of money to Ambani? Okay. He may be telling in millions. If I ask the same question to Bill Gates, that may be something else. Okay. Suppose if I ask the same question to just joined IT company person, the answer will be different. Okay. So, good amount of money, this will not drive us. That is why we fix the goal as we are able to achieve the goal as 60% or 70%. It should be very clear. What is good amount for me? Okay. So if I ask you the question, sir, okay, what is good amount for you?
Right now, it will be around 5 lakhs per month.
Yeah. Okay. So my value, if I write somewhere, okay, if I write somewhere, my value on finance is to go to the level of 5 lakhs per annum. 5 lakhs per annum. Suppose if I write like this and if I read this daily, I will be able to travel in that direction very effortlessly. For example, I want to earn 5 lakhs, for which to earn that I will be doing something. That is the goal. Okay, suppose for example, I want to become a clinical psychologist. I want to become a clinical psychologist and I want to earn 5 lakhs. Now 5 lakhs I want to earn, I will be earning 5 lakhs is my value, financial value. Okay, and my goal is I want to become a clinical psychologist. Now, if at all you want to become a clinical psychologist and if you want to put 100%, this value, financial value, always it should be clear within yourself. If it is not clear within yourself, we will not put the right amount of effort to reach the goal. So, the first one is goal. The second one is values which are required to meet that goal. Sir, the second question, sir. So the first one is over. Professional, one which you have said. You can write it, and you can after the class you can just text me. I will correct the value sentence and I will share with you again. Okay. So what field you need continuously in life, sir?
Professionally, right?
Yeah, what field you need continuously in life?
I want to be a clinical hypnotherapist, clinical psychologist, and I want to be
Sir, can you be a little bit louder? What field you need continuously in life?
Yeah, am I audible now, sir?
Yeah, you're audible now.
Yeah, I want to be a clinical psychologist,
Uh,
and I want to be in the mental health fraternity only, sir.
okay, sir. Now, I will give a value clarification here. Okay, sir. I want to be a clinical psychologist. Okay. Now, this I can change it as, okay, whether I want to work as a clinical psychologist in some hospital in my life, or in future at some point of time I want to open up my own clinic. I want to open up my own clinic, and I want to contribute to the society as a clinical psychologist. If I give these two, which one you will choose, sir?
I'll bargain somewhere. Like, I want to earn money. Along with that, I want to devote my skills and knowledge towards
That's what,
the
sir.
society as well.
Yeah, that's what. You want to earn money. Okay, you want to earn money. You want to become a clinical psychologist. Now,
Right.
instead of telling this as a value, okay, if you fix your goal, see, if your goal is high, the value will be high. If you fix your goal like this, after 10 years from now, I will have my own clinic. I will have my own clinic wherein 10 counselors or psychologists will be working, and I will be contributing to the society. In that case, whether you will be earning more money, or if you go and work in a clinic under someone else, whether you will earn more money.
My own clinic.
Your own clinic. So now, this is what value clarification. Now, in your mind, just think that after 10 years from now, I'm going to open a clinic. Now, the things which you have to follow, okay, the things which you have to follow from today, if you think that I want to become a clinical psychologist, if you think like that, you will have more values. Or if you think that I am going to be a CEO of a clinic, because when you open a clinic, you will be the CEO of the clinic. So when you become a CEO of a clinic, you will be you need more values. Or when you think that I want to become a clinical psychologist, then you will have more values.
Maybe when I'll be working as a CEO of my own company,
You will be having more values, because when you work as a CEO of your own company, okay, then you should develop your leadership skills. That is a value. Now, in leadership value, caring comes. Now, caring, you cannot start after 10 years. From today onwards, you have to practice caring. From today onwards, you have to practice inspiring others. If you want to go and work as a clinical psychologist in some hospital, okay, I want to inspire others will not come. But if you change your value, if you change your thinking, I want to open up my own clinic, then you will think that I want to inspire others. I want to inspire others, so that so you become a leader. So I want to inspire others means, when it will start? It will start from today. Suppose now, if you are a student, if you are studying in a school, in your college, suppose if there are 60 students, today onwards you will do everything to inspire your own friends. So your leadership capability will develop. So what will happen is, you will be able to achieve your goal. The more you fix your goals, the values will increase. The values, when it increases, when you start following your values, okay, you will definitely achieve your goal, or at least you will reach nearer to it. So always be clear about what is your goals. Fix higher goals. broaden your mind. That is what we call it as map is not the territory. Map is not the territory means, okay, always we fix small maps. Okay, I want to become a clinical psychologist. If you are communicating within yourself, I want to become a clinical psychologist, the mind, the conscious mind, the unconscious mind, and the subconscious mind, it doesn't know the difference between working as a clinical psychologist or owning a clinic and serving as clinical psychologist. Our mind doesn't know, and we have to tell our mind. So
We need to be more specific
expand your
and more meaningful, right?
yeah.
So we need to be more specific about what values and what kind of.
Yes, yes, absolutely. We should be more specific and more broad. We should be more specific and more broad. Then what will happen is our values will increase. The more value you follow, the more successful you become. If we simply take the case of Abdul Kalam, okay, let us take the case of Abdul Kalam, okay, and let us take the case of someone who studied along with him in IIT. He studied in MIT. Along with him, there were 100 students who studied along with Abdul Kalam. Now, you take the values which Abdul Kalam followed and others followed. Because Abdul Kalam followed many values, many positive values, he was able to grow. That is, the first one is caring. The first one is caring. The second one is empathy. The third one is respecting what he studied. He respected what he studied. And he respected even finance. Okay? He respected finance. He thought that I will be responsible for even a penny which I spend. I will not spend even a penny from government account. So that was his value. Now all these values he cultivated right from the beginning. It doesn't started when he became a president. So what NLP says cultivate good values in the beginning itself. How? Create better goals, create the best goals which is possible by you, and to reach to the goals, create values. And we have extensive format for creating values. For example, in our day before yesterday, we started our NLP one batch. Okay, for the last 3 days we are having value illustration. Okay, every day people talk with me for minimum 40 minutes to 1 hour they talk because of value clarification. One person, he wants to become a he wants to become a politician. He wants to become a politician. That is his long-term goal, for which he has to create values. But now he is working in a company. He is working in a company for which he should have separate values. Now, both these things will definitely clash. Now, how to take it forward? Unless and until we are very clear about our values, every year we will be making New Year resolutions, and every year we will be failing. Every year, every time we will be making up our goals, and every time we may be telling 70% I want or 80% I want. NLP says 100% you can win, provided you create the best goal possible by you, the best goal which is possible by you, and create values for it. Create values which can support the goals for it. So I will share this particular aspect and also the values created by others, okay, in the group. I will put it in the group. Others who are watching this particular Zoom session, today sit and create your own values, and you ask these questions within yourself. Okay, these are this PPT I will be forwarding you. You have to ask yourself what is important thing to your life. 3 things you have to write. What field you need continuously in life. 3 aspects you have to write. What you want to see continuously in your life. For example, now shall I have shall I get Akshaya online? Akshaya? Can Akshaya come online? Akshaya? B. Akshaya. Can you just open your mic? Or anyone else? Except this particular gentleman. Anyone else? Can you just open your mic? Anyone? Anyone who wants to get some kind of clarity? Just open your mic. Open your mic.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Hello,
Ma'am,
sir.
this question is
Am
to
I
you. Yeah,
audible?
this question is
Yeah.
to you. Okay. What you want to see continuously in your life?
A successful career,
My successful
family,
career. Hmm.
Hmm.
Three things I
and
want. Three things.
yeah. And the second thing is health of my family is very important to me.
Hmm.
And the third is the peace,
Okay.
mental peace.
Mental peace. Now, you have stated three things, ma'am. Okay? You have
Yeah.
stated three things. Now, can you order it, madam? Ranking means which one in this is the prime one, which will bring the other aspect also. Now, you have said three. I will repeat it. I will repeat it. Can you repeat it,
Yeah.
ma'am?
My personal career,
Your personal
my career, yeah, and the family health,
family health,
and the family and the peace, mental peace.
mental peace for you and your family.
Yeah, the same.
Now, yeah. Now you said
If I don't have the mental peace, then I can't contribute.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now the mental peace for me and my family, you said it as third. Okay, ma'am. Now actually it has to come first. If it comes first, the rest two now automatically it follows. Do you agree or not, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
Yeah, this is what value elicitation, ma'am. Value elicitation means in NLP what we do is we try to probe the person and try to identify one is find the value. Now you are very intelligent, you are able to find the values. But there are some people, they are not able to tell us what they want to see continuously in life. Then we probe them and we...
But sir...
Okay, ma'am.
But
Now
sir,
you are very intelligent, you are able to tell. But the
sir,
thing is, we have to reorder. We have to reorder. You bring it to the first. Now this, if you write it somewhere and read it every day, okay, ma'am, you will be able to reach your goal very easily. Suppose, for example, your career, okay? Your career. I want to settle in my career. Now, the first one is, I want the peacefulness of my family and myself, okay?
Myself.
Now, whatever action you take to improve your career, na, first you will check here. First you will check here whether the peacefulness of myself and my family will get affected or not. Then you will choose the career. And you will do anything which is related to career. So what will happen?
But
you will be able to reach to your career very easily. You will be able to succeed in your career very easily. Nowadays, what happens? People after their marriage, okay, after their marriage, they are not able to distinguish between these two, okay. Without any thinking, they join a regular program in some college, okay. She joins in first year, second year she becomes pregnant. Now why this happens? Because of there is no value clarification, isn't it? Suppose if there is a value clarification, these all are the things will not happen. Ma'am, yeah, you can ask, ma'am. You have some questions. Yeah.
Sir, I'm just trying to say that if I'm successful in my career, then I think I will take the career thing first, because if I'm successful in my career, that will contribute to my mental. If I'm satisfied there, I will be happy, and I may contribute in the I will make my family happy too. And if I have money, then I can ensure the health of my family also. So here
this
also
is very nice. So this is very nice. So if you are sure, so the thing is, one is value elicitation. The second thing is how it should be ranked. I should know perfectly. I should know perfectly which order you should be, so that I can pay attention to what is required first, where I should concentrate first. There I can concentrate. When I'm able to concentrate like that, what will happen? We will be able to achieve our long-term goal very easily. Okay, we have only 3 minutes more. Ma'am, what do you want others to speak about you when they think of you?
Pardon, sir.
What you want others to speak about you when they think of you?
Okay. They should think that I actually I don't bother anyone how they perceive me, because I should be self-fulfilled, and I should be self-motivated enough that I
No,
should feel.
Here, others
Hmm.
means, okay, even your own family
Hmm.
members.
Okay.
When your family members, when they think of you, what they should talk?
They should think I'm quite responsible. I would like to perceived as responsible person, and also caring, and also disciplined,
Discipline.
I should say.
Now, when I asked this question, okay,
Honest.
now we are thinking 2 minutes, okay. Now,
Okay.
after this class is over, I will share this, okay. Now, if I ask 3 aspects from you on this, okay, definitely what will happen is you will think and write, and then rank it, okay, then write it at some place. Every day, when you think that, okay, my mother should feel that I am disciplined. If I keep that as a value, okay, definitely that will bring me laurel. Yes or no? Most of the time, the values are forgotten, because when you forget value, what happens? We will not be able to achieve our goals. You might have seen students getting addicted to ganja or cocaine, etc. You have seen, na?
Yeah.
Why it happens? Because they forget their value, isn't it?
Yeah, they don't have that much of self-control, I suppose.
Value. They don't have value. They have forgotten their values. Values, when you will not forget, when it is in front of you, and when you read it daily, okay. We are daily we are reading newspapers, okay. Daily we are watching TV. Is it contributing anything to our mental peace? No. Instead of that, if I read my values daily, okay, will it help me in my life, or it will not help? If you write your values somewhere and read it daily before starting the day, will it help us, or it will not help us?
It should work like a self-hypnosis, I guess.
Self-hypnosis, yes, very nice. Now, people write goals, okay. People don't write values. That's why they fail.
Okay.
Most of the people, they write the goals. They write the goals in the wall. Okay, I want to get 100% in maths. Okay. But the value is, I want to go out and play, and I want to go outside and see Amitabh Bachchan playing or Shah Rukh Khan playing. Value is not there. Unless and until you fix a value and then write the goal, achieving goal will be very difficult. But when you have the values and goals supported by values, supported by values, we can achieve the goals very nicely. Because of this only,